interesting way to sit in it. Yeah, you didn't even climb up. Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? Yeah, there they are. Those are some nice shoes you got. Where's your nose?
Yeah.
Hi. No, you stay up there. Let's play. Where's your choo-choo train? Let's go play with this. Let's go play with the choo-choo train. Come on. There you go. Oh, yes. I hear that in the middle of the night. You push it? There you go. Might work better if you put the bubbles down.